Alright people, so today what we're going to do is to grease or oil or clutch cable. This can work for your other cables as well. So the reason for oiling a clutch cable is basically because sometimes the clutch tends to get tough and hard to pull. You can also inspect it down here, which is where we adjust it. You can see that there's rust on the cable. So this oiling the cable can basically extend the life of the cable and, you know, make everything just feel better overall. So if you can feel my clutch, it's very tough, and that's because of the cable. So make we get this started. So we need a 12mm spanner. So what I'm gonna do first, we can anywhere you can do first. You can loosen down here, or you can adjust up here. So let me start with up here. What we do is to bring this part back, and then we put the adjuster all the way in. What this does is to basically create a little bit of slack, but also what you want to do is to make sure that all of them something line up. You see me? So adjust this, so like so, and then boom. So basically the cable can come through this little slit right there. Is it? Alright, turn that way there. Down here so now. Focus. Down here so now, what me do, me just open the adjuster or loosen it. Alright, so you can either you can take the cable completely off, or you can just take it out from up here and just spray it down. In this video, that's what I'll be doing. I'll just take the cable out from up here, the adjuster, and then just lubricate it come all the way down. You can also pull it off completely if you want, but I just, as I say, create like a slack and then just pull this out of this. So it have a little groove here, it come through, so basically you just push it and pull it through. Very easy. So what I'm going to do is to take it out from up here. So you pull it, oops, sorry. So you pull the cable back, make sure say all of this line out, and then, sorry guys, I hold the camera with my hand. I'm going to try to do this as best as possible. You see me? Focus, camera, focus. Alright, boom. So now we have this open, so we do bring it down like this, and then under here, come the camera, turn on the flash guys. Right there, that's where the cable would come through, so you just pull it down and it come out just like that. So, apologies for the noise guys, I work me there, I do this at work, you see me? So apologies for the noise. Alright, so now it's very easy to do with a bottle like this. You can use either WD-40, you can use any bottle like this, lube, chain lube, you can use even engine oil, you see me, and you can spray it down and lubricate it. So basically what I do now, I just do like this, and spray it down. Also, you want to get a rag to cover up all of this mess that it might create. You see it? So basically all you do is just spray it down in that little hole here, so. Spray a good amount down in that hole. And then you take the chain, you take the cable, why I call it a chain, and you kinda push it down. So we can't push this down. So here I have to do. I have to remove the entire cable. Easy as me say. Just put it, just push this down so, and see there you have the cable completely removed. So this gives us a little freedom, so we can move this up and down. You see me? Yeah. So this will help us to get the lube in or through the cable. Alright, so basically this is the process. So you spray, or if you use the oil, you throw the oil down in it. So you spray or use your oil, and then what you do, basically use an in and out motion, or you can do it from down here. So you drag it in and out, in and out, in and out, until all of the lubrication come down here. So you see me? You just make sure so everything lubricate up. So me soon when all of that done. Alright, so the chain is fully lubed. As you can see, it all a drip. Hold it a ground, you see it all a drip. So me take it out from there, the adjuster part, spray lube down from the end here, and spray from the end here too. So it get it double dose, you see me? So now we just go fit up back everything. You see me? Easy as 1, 2, 3. Alright, so basically you go install everything back in the reverse order. You see me? Cable lubricated and everything nice. And thing. So cable gone back in, and you can test out the clutch pull. Probably can't tell from the camera, but it feels so much better. Like the clutch feels so much freer. Before you see me pull it, and then you see it take a little while and then it come down. So basically cable nice and lubricated, so the cable now stick and everything will operate nice and easy. You see me? Squeeze it and show now. You see it, everything will operate nice and easy. Yep. Remember, doing this prolongs the life of a cable. I mean, basically your cable will serve longer, it now go pop, and you will get a longer life out of your cable. Your cable might have served you 1, 2, 3 years or so. You see me? You can do the same for your throttle cable as well. Basically I might have to do a different video on that one, but it's the same procedure. But you would have to pull this, take out the throttle cable. Probably don't have to take out the cable completely, but pull this and spray down the liquid down, and it goes in the cable, and the cable runs all the way to the carburetor, which is right here. You see me? Up here. So, and basically that will prolong the life of your gas cable. You see me? And give you a better throttle response and so forth. Because enough riders sometimes them throttle cable might stick, and because they're not maintaining it properly, it could cause that. So yeah guys, so that's basically it for the video. Just a quick video showing how to lubricate your cable and how to keep your bike in tip-top shape. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section. You know, thanks for watching. Blessings. I'm out.